injured during the shot put warm-up for the champs heptathlon, and with the 800-meter race left, Angel Rhoomes decided to finish her race regardless of her injury or where she was in the race. And she got an incredibly ovation coming down that final stretch. She joins us now alongside her coach, Darrell Gardner of Gaynstead High School. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Good morning, and thanks for having
Coach, before I go to Angel, what were your thoughts when she got hurt? Were you thinking of pulling her from the event or what?
Well, to be honest with you, she spoke to me in the morning. She was like, Coach, I am not sure what to do. I'm feeling hurt. And, what do you think? And I said to her, how is it feeling? She told me it's feeling a little, tender. So I said to her, guess what? Let's go out there and see what happened, right? So I wanted her to try, and if it was hurting continuously, then I would tell her to, you know what, let's pull you back from the event. I worked on it in the morning, did some icing, and she was okay. Took her to the medic, she was okay.
Yep. Take up the rest of the story. How did you feel at the start of the race? Were you in any pain then or discomfort?
No, at the start of the race, all I had in mind was to just went out there and make my coach and my family proud. I wasn't worrying about the injury or nothing.
But were you in any pain at that time? You didn't feel anything?
No, only like when the race started, I feel pain.
Why didn't you stop? Why didn't you, you realized that everybody gonna leave your race almost done and you're the only one on the track. I don't think anyone would have given you a hard time had you just pulled up and said, well, because you saw the kinesio tape all over your legs, so why didn't you stop?
I didn't stop because I was not raised or trained to give up. That was just not in my mind, none at all. I go on the track to say, yes, I'm going to finish the race. With the injury, without the injury, I have to finish. And I did cross the line.
Yes, we saw that. I was there. I was on at the time. So when you got to you were barely moving. How did you feel when the crowd started to support you? And did you cry while you were coming down?
No, I did not.
You did?
When I come down and everything, I never did that hear the crowd because I just block out everything. All I did have in my mind and my coach, I said, finish. Because in a training, when I got to stop because I'm tired, always I say, finish and don't have to just come through with the hand and finish strong.
So you didn't hear the crowd at all?
No, I just hear my coach voice in my head, I said, finish.
No, so that coach has up now, it's fine. So 90,000 people are ball out and that one little voice here.
And after the race, I never... when I finish, I feel away but I did start cry, drop 2 tears, but the reason I start cry when I see my coach come over. That time I start cry
Yeah. Why the heptathlon in the first place? That's 7 events in 2 days. Even if you never hurt, it's supposed to be so grueling for you. Why the hep?
Well, it's actually my first time competing at the Boys and Girls Championship, but my coach said that I am a very talented girl and he see that I can do all events, so he's going to try me in the heptathlon. Beautiful.
So, Coach, how did you feel when you see her take her time and come round and you never feel like you want to run go out there and tell her?
To be honest with you, I was very worried. And the reason why, because I'm a person that I'm very concerned about my athletes. Keeping them healthy is the #1 priority. And Angel been showing that discipline throughout the training. And I wanted her to try something different. It's her first Boys and Girls Champs, right? And while she was on track, I was, okay, Angel, are you going to stop now? If you do, it's okay. In my, talking, and I was talking to my partner, and I was saying, if you stop, that's okay, because, hey, you have done your best already. So many events. It's your first time. But then I remember myself that she always say, no matter what, she's going to do what she have to do. She's a person that wants to represent. Very disciplined in training. She don't miss training.
I need to apologize because my first thing I should have asked if you are okay now. That's the first thing I should have asked you. Are you okay now? And what was the injury? What was wrong?
Okay, I'm fine now, but my shin was burning. They said
so they call it shin splints?
Shin splint, yeah.
Oh. So you didn't think that you just go out there and say, come, it's all right, man, come out for the track. You didn't think of doing that?
To be honest with you, I was trying to time her very well to go to the finish line because I felt like probably if I got up, probably I would have signaled or something. Yeah. My little hands in the crowd would not help.
Yeah.
But something said, you know what, let her represent.
Leave her.
Because even if I said to her in the morning, Angel, hey, listen what, let's put it out, right? If you are out of one event, you're behind with the points.
Yeah, man.
But I know she would have said to me, Coach, I just want to do it. I just want to represent.
Yeah.
She said to me, Mom and Dad watching, and she just want to make her family proud. She want to make herself proud. So I just like, you know what, let her go ahead and finish.
Yeah, well, Angel, you nearly make me cry on here. Because I watch her come round and I hear the people. You actually got a standing ovation when you went across the line. I get cold bumper now. When you went across the line, a lot of folks in the grandstand actually stood up and applauded. Of the 7, which one do you think is your best event?
I'm not sure. I can do it at all.
And this is what you want to do? Are you going to continue in
Yes, I'm
in
coming
track?
back stronger next year.
Oh, beautiful. And you're going to do the hip again?
Yes.
So you don't have the 200, the 100, the hurdles?
No, the F.
Yeah, but none of them are just strong. Because you have people who do the hip and will do a one event still because they are strong in the 100 or the 200 or the high
Long
jumpers.
jump.
Long jump? Yeah? So you might end up doing long jump.
Yeah.
Oh. We are so very proud of you. I cannot imagine how your family must feel and your school and your coach, but we are incredibly proud. We thank you so very much. But guess what? We have a giveaway this morning for Angel and her family. We'll be giving away VIP tickets to the Grand Slam this weekend for you and your family.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah?
That's good.
And it just hit me. That means part of the family. Sim, it just hit me, you know. We, of course, family from morning, we have our own family, you know. So, you know, say if you don't see her, you're going to see me and Samarone right up in the VIP.
Right
like
timing.
it's we did run. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Thanks for coming, Coach. Good stuff. And thanks for coming. And I know you will do great as you go on. I don't know if you ever see this yet. We're going to show you something on TV. You know, I don't know if you ever see this before. Yeah, I'm almost certain I've never seen this before. So I don't want this to surprise you. But you are going to see something that is very few people in the world have ever seen. And it's an incredible moment in history. All right? Okay. Well, as we say, history, it look like tomorrow before this history unfolds. All right, so Coach Daryl Gardner and Angel Rhoomes from Gaynstead. And you don't hear that school's name too often in track and field. So, Coach, continue to do what you're doing. And if anyone
Thank you, sir.
who knows about this story, boy, don't give up. Yeah. Don't give up. Even though sometimes, because of pain and injury, you might have to. But if you can, fight through it. The history moment not coming up? Well, I guess not. All right. All right, so after the break then, since that moment of history is in the past, we will move on. Something to smile about, magic carpet. Eh? Angel, good afternoon. Stay for that one, eh? Yeah, we'll soon come.